I am Edna Harris, and I have Candy Wrapper Creations. I started painting in 2002, and then in around 2009 I started doing the collage work. It took about 2 or 3 years to develop into what it is now. So now I do candy wrappers in all my work, and I also put found desert objects in them. So the candy wrappers are in places like this. The desert objects are this piece of metal, which I call a metal piece because I have no idea what it is. The nails, this wire mesh, and this is even an old watch, and actually Bonnie gave me a bunch of her old watches, so I now use them in my clock pieces. And this is some vintage sheet music. And the clock, and the old 45 record. This happens to be Midnight Train to Georgia by Gladys Knight and the Pips. So this is one of the pieces at Patterson Studio.